Okay, the next exercise is called the complex movement or the figure of eight. Do you still remember what the cerebellums do? The cerebellum is responsible for your coordination and your balance most of the time. So that means if you have some positive in the rapid alternate movement assessment, there's something not working in the cerebellum, also not your brainstem as well. And more interestingly is we can force ourselves to coordinate things by moving our hand. So this exercise is really simple. You're going to put both hands up. So put the hand on the side that you want to regulate. What I mean is if your left brain is not working, you're going to use the right arm. If your right brain is not working, you're going to do the left side of the hand because it's always opposite side. What you're going to do is put your hand up and draw a figure of eight, the number eight on the air. And usually you will find the side that you have dysfunction you will have some difficulties of doing this because that's literally telling you, hey, your cerebellum is not working. So that's why you can move your hand in a smooth and coordinated way, and also your brainstem as well. So what we're gonna do is really simple. So just draw a figure of eight. You can use your hand, use your shoulder, use your elbow. So don't shock your shoulder because I'm just trying to get the angles right here for the camera. And you can also turn your wrist as well. And you can also use your leg to draw a figure of eight. Use your knee, use your ankle. You can lay down, sitting up, standing, and walking as well. And I put when you should use when in the book as well down below. And make sure you try different angle. So you can try big, you can try small, and find the angle you cannot do. Because at the angle you cannot do, that's the pathway. That's the brain area that is not working. So when you do more on the spot you cannot do. What I mean is, for example, if I'm doing figure of eight, I can do really smooth on one here, but then when I go down, I feel my hand is kind of glitching, my muscle is giving up. That means you have to do more at that angle. And if you see the poster behind me, that is called the motion guidance. I think I'm going to also put the equipment link down below. You can also purchase it. It is a device that giving you feedback to do the protocol better. Because in order for your brain to change, you need to have correct feedback. So for example, I always think that I have the most beautiful handwriting in the whole world. But until one day, when I see the girl next to me and I say, oh shit, your writing is really beautiful. And then when I look at mine, my handwriting become really ugly. And not until I realize my handwriting is ugly, my brain don't see that things is a problem. So they are not going to change and rewire. So usually your brain protocol, you will need. So usually for the brain protocol, you will need feedback for your brain to change. Just like your handwriting, you have to see someone else doing correctly so that you will change. So this device gives you feedback to do the things better and better and tell your brain, hey, you're doing something wrong. You have to do it better and do it in the correct way so that your brainstem and the cerebellum will be regulated.